Let's open up. This is the package opener. Hi guys, and welcome back on my channel. As you can see at the back of me there is a Volvo XC60. I was rebuilding it and now the car is finished. If you can, please don't turn off this video. Watch for a few minutes, it will support my channel. And if you can, please leave the thumbs up, subscribe, of course, it will be a big pleasure for me. So now I will invite you for the rest of the video and you will see the process of rebuilding this car. So welcome back. Unfortunately, I ordered the front headlight to Volvo, and in the transport maybe this headlamp was damaged earlier, and look, maybe you will be seeing this. Look what happened. It's hard to do it with one hand, but I will try to show you. See this gap? This whole entire piece is broken and I have to weld it, and now I will do this. This will be the border. I cannot cross this line. So this is after plastic weld. Here you see. Now I will use grinder. I will sand it here and there, and I will add some filling primer, and I will paint it on black. And I think it will be looking better. And this headlamp is now sealed, you know, and the water will not come to this lamp. So I managed to prepare the entire surface. It will be not perfect, I know that. There will be a lot of, you know, rough spots, strange spots, but this piece is unnoticeable in the car. And you know, I have to do it because here was crack. The entire surface was cracked, and you know, water could come through to the headlamp. So unfortunately, when I ordering this lamp, I don't know, maybe in the transportation, you know, something happened with it. I don't know. The seller told me that there is a crack, and this crack is invisible, but true and expectations. So now I will use some paint and I will leave it that way. And done. I will leave it that way. It's fine for me. And see guys, this lamp was fixed, so how this lamp came out. And here is the right side to compare. No, let's open up. Oh, thank you, Bonnie, thank you. You see how my dog works. Package opener. This is the package opener. Hello everyone. It is next day. I am preparing for the paint Volvo XC60. The car is running. Sorry guys, I didn't show you the launching process, but believe me, the car is running. But you will be see this later on. And now, as you can see, I prepared the bumper. The bumper is sanded with 300, 500. This will be enough. It's very smooth. I will use sealer to seal this, you know. And also I want to show you. And also I want to show you this place, because the hood was bent here. I managed to do a small repair here, because I don't want to paint the entire hood. And I will try to blend this area. Everything here is sanded with 1500 sandpaper. And now I will paint. Those are park sensors brackets. This will be enough, because I don't want to sand them and do anything. Here will be base and clear coat and nothing more. Okay guys, so time to paint this bad boy. I sealed the bumper because, you know, in some places I burned through the bare plastic, so I use sealer and I seal those places. Unfortunately, today in Poland are, you know, not Christmas, something like Christmas, and everything is closed, and I had only 100 milliliters of sealer, so that's why the bumper looked like this. So forgive me for that, but the important is that all places are secured and now I can put base. So, time to do this! Okay guys, so everything is ready. How do you think? This will be have, you know, proper look or not? Leave me in the comments. I will do my best. Basically, this entire hood should be painted, but I don't want to do this because I want to sell this car, and the damage was, you know, small damage, major damage, and you know, the hood will be original, but the hood is destroyed by the small rocks, you know, and got chips everywhere. But I want to only fix this, so now I will do this. Okay, 10 minutes and I will put clear. You see this dent here, here is the dent, here is one big dent, but you know, I want to leave it. I don't want to paint this entire hood. Okay, time to put clear on. listen, I think it looks very nice. Now I will wait, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes, and I will use the fade out thinner on the edges, and I will leave it overnight, polish, and I think the blend looks very nice. You see, those holes could be fixed with the, you know, PDR method, but I don't know how to do it. Okay, so it's hard now. I will do a slight polish, and that's it. And I will show you in the sun how it looks like. And also after the accident, they try to pull the car, you know, to the trailer or something. I don't know, and they put the, you know, the wire or something here, and this was ripped off. Now I will try to grind it with this tool. I will do my best to smooth this out, and I will apply only some epoxy primer, and that's it, because there is no paint here, you see. So I will put a little bit epoxy, and that's it. It looks better now. I don't want to use Bondo here. I will do epoxy, you know, this place is invisible, so I don't want to, you know, spend 2 or 3 hours to do it so proper. I know, but let's hide something. So as you can see, the car drives very smooth. There is no noises. The suspension work very nice. It is pleasant to drive with this car, you know. The accident wasn't, you know, so bad, so the car working fine. There is no light on the dashboard, as you can see. Guys, thank you for watching, and I want to invite you for a new episode, and it will be repairing of the BMW S1000R, and I call it the Nightmare Project.